Good morning everyone, this is Neha and I'm back again today to practice together against PCOD. So if you think this intensity is slightly slow, so make sure that you do it 2 times back to back so that you can feel it's high intense. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's start our session with 5 Surya Namaskara. Let's begin here together. Now come to center, spine straight, palm together. Let's start. First round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, second round, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Third one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Fourth one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one down. Fifth one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly drop your hands down. Now relax your body a little. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly come down and lie down on the stomach. Keep both the legs slightly apart from each other. Don't keep them so close. Keep them maybe 1 feet apart. Now stretch your both the hands forward, but from here try to bend your both the elbows inside. Okay, drop your forehead down. So first, when you breathe in, breathe out, we are going to lift our one hand and one leg at a time, opposite side. So for example, right hand and the left leg, left hand and the right leg. We'll do this into 5 sets and then we'll lift our body entirely together. Okay. Now first one, we're going to lift our right hand and the left leg. Okay. Along with the chest, do not bend your knee, lift your thighs up. From here, inhale, right hand and left leg up and down. Change and down. 2 and down. Change and down. 3 and down. Change and down. 4 and down. Change and down. Continue to breathe. Last one, 5 and down. Change and down. Let us try lifting our both the hands and thighs together. Now inhale and exhale. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. 5, we are going to hold for 5 counts. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and slowly come down. Get your palm next to the chest. Now get your legs closer to each other. Okay, there is no distance between both the legs. Toe pointing out. Now inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, come to child posture. Just push your hip down. Don't lift your palm. Now from here, inhale. Come to Bhujangasana once again. Child posture. Stretch your arms. 3. Child posture. You can straight away come to Bhujangasana. 4. Child posture. 5. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, slowly down, 1. From here, without taking any break, bend your knee, hold your ankle from behind. Inhale, come up. Dhanurasana, try to hold in this posture for 5 counts. Lift your thighs and chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop it down. Come to child posture. Stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Now from here, come on your knee as well as on your palm. Okay? We'll do a quick cat and cow posture for your spine from here. Now, take your spine in, look up, and exhale. Tighten your stomach, get your chest rounded, shoulder rounded. Now inhale, opposite side, and exhale. 3, down, 4, down, last one, 5, and down. Now from here, it's little challenging, but then I'm sure you should give a try. Now from here, toe tucked in, lift your knee off the mat and hold for 10 counts with me. Stay there. 10, stomach engaged. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take one long breath in, long breath out. We are going to do this one more time. From here, once again, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't round your shoulder. 8, 9, and 10. From here, take your palm one step ahead. Lift your heel up. Push your spine. Bend your knee. Now, try to get your chest closer to the thighs. Push your spine up. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Look down to the stomach. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward in between both the palm. Get your right leg next to the right palm, left leg next to the left palm outside. Down. Now from here, jump back to full plank. Okay, let us do this 5 times. One more. Right, left, down, a deep squat and jump back. Third one. Right, left, deep squat, jump back. Fourth one. Right, left, deep squat, jump back. Fifth one. Right, left, deep squat, stay for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, jump back. Now, come to child posture. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Slowly come to center and relax. As you could see in the video, it's pretty sunny and very bright, and it's quite hard to practice outside. So I have completed asana practice and I did not add meditation and breathing exercise in the end. So please practice pranayama and meditation by yourself, and I'll see you again tomorrow with day 6. Till then, keep practicing.